Welcome to Axis Group of Services. Good evening to all my students and my colleagues. As a regular practice, we will start our session by learning one fact of the day. Today, the fact of the day is knowledge. Having knowledge without practice is like tree without fruit. So, practice continuously. Next, myself, Zafar Mirza. I am the faculty and the founder for the Axis Group of Services. Today, the session is about Introduction to CA Foundation course. In this introduction session, we will try to understand what is the CA Foundation course as compared to CA CPT, what is the eligibility for a CA Foundation course, how to register for a CA Foundation course, what is the fee structure, and what is the syllabus. So, as a part of eligibility for the CA Foundation course, as same compared to the CPT, so the question, when can we enroll for CA Foundation course? You can enroll after appearing your class 12th examinations, and every branch student can enroll. That means if you are from a CEC, if you are from a MPC, if you are from MEC or BIPC or any plus 12 equivalent examinations conducted by the government, you can enroll for the CA Foundation course. What is the study period, sir? When the examination will be conducted. So these are the basic questionnaire FAQ of every student. As usual, as a part of CA course, the registrations are open for the whole year, but the examinations will be conducted twice in a year. If you registered, if you registered from January to June, you can appear next following November. If you register in between July to December, you can appear in the month of June. So there is a criteria for the registration dates. So particular period is given. Why? Because the minimum study period is required 4 months. If you register these in between these date to this date, you can appear in the following examination. Next is registration. Here all the aspirants can be registered online. Just visit aici.org website. In that, go a tab, student tabs. Then from that, go to registration form, then fill the form and submit it. And what is the fee structure? The fee structure is divided into four categories. So I am explaining the category 1, cost of foundation, that is for prospectors, in Indian rupees 200, and if any student is registering from outside India, $20. And foundation registration fees, this is course registration fees, Indian rupees 9,000, for foreign 700 USD. These first two categories are mandatory. And third one is subscription for students journal. This is optional, 220. Subscription for members journal, optional, 440. So total fee for the CA foundation course is 9,800 Indian rupees, 780 USD. Mandatory fees is 9,200 Indian rupees. The syllabus is CA foundation course having 4 papers. The first paper is about the principles and practice of accounting. Paper 2, business laws and business correspondence and reporting. There are two different subjects in the paper 2. One is business law and second one is business correspondence and reporting. And paper 3, business mathematics, logical reasoning and statistics. And paper 4, business economics and commercial knowledge. So as compared to CPT, here we have 4 papers. Let's see how many marks in the paper 1. Okay, paper 1 is only one paper, 3 hours timing and 100 marks. Paper 2 is business laws and business correspondence and reporting. Section A is business laws, 60 marks. Section B, business correspondence and reporting, 40 marks. Paper 3, business mathematics and logical reasoning and the statistics, is divided into 3 parts. Part A, business mathematics, 40 marks. Part B, logical reasoning, 20 marks. Part C, statistics, 40 marks. So paper 4, business economics and the commercial knowledge. Part 1 is business economics, 60 marks, and part 2, business and commercial knowledge, 40 marks. So this is about ACA foundation course. What is the eligibility, what is the registration and the fee structure, and how many papers are there. Okay, what are the marks awarded in that paper. I would like to inform all the students of CA foundation course. Here Axis Group of Services is ready to provide full course. And for any queries, for any information, you can comment or you can share your email ID or the phone number with us. We will call back to you for further information. and next section will be about the accounting subject. Thank you very much. Good night. Shab Bakhair.